Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to activate Solidworks license. Now, firstly open Solidworks and the activation manager will appear. Choose I want to activate my Solidworks product now. Select the products you want to activate. Choose manually via email and enter your email address in the contact information field. Click Save to generate a request file, then save this file to a USB drive or external storage. Email the request file to activation@solidworks.com. Solidworks will email you a response file. Download and save the response file. Open Solidworks Activation Manager. Then click Open and select Response File. A message should confirm activation was successful. Just open Solidworks, click Help, go to Licenses, Deactivate. To deactivate your standalone Solidworks license. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.